Hi there guys, and welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So this is my Orbital Sander from Mirka, and this is the ridiculous amount of sandpaper that came with it. I've got a lot of used sandpaper that I'm too afraid to throw away. Got a lot of new sandpaper, and I've got the sander itself. And all this is just one giant mess. I don't have a proper home for this yet. So I'm going to try and build a sanding station. No plan of how it's going to look, just using whatever scrap materials I have in my shop. So I'm seeing some of this 1/4-inch plywood that I think could be useful for the thing that actually holds all the sandpaper. And I have some 3/4-inch plywood. And I think this could be used for the actual thing. No clue how it's going to turn out. Let's see if we can make something with these. So I'm just laying everything out here on this piece of 3/4-inch plywood. Honestly, I'm sort of liking this. I got 3 pieces of sandpaper here. I'm thinking another one can go here. Then I'll have my sander right here and maybe some extra storage for like a cool sign or something right here. But I'm thinking of cutting it right here. And I think this might be worth a good shot. Let's take a look and see how we do. So now to attach this, since I can't really use any brad nails or any sort of mechanical fastener, I'm going to use some CA glue and activator as it's really quick and it's going to be super easy for me to join some really thin pieces like this. So I ran into a little bit of an issue. Because I'm using only scrap plywood as that's what I have, this does not quite fit fully. So I was thinking, how can I combat this? Maybe I could put like my sanding belts here, but this is a Mirka station. It's not my belt sanding station. Those go with my belt sander. But because this is too wide, and the wrench that comes with the sander is too narrow, and I've got all this wasted space, I don't know what I'm going to do. To fix this, I'm going to use this really expensive walnut plywood.
No! God, please, no! No!
Which is totally going to be a waste for shop furniture, but let's cut this thing up. Should I waste a piece of nice walnut veneer plywood like this? Curiosity killed the cat. We have all 4. I have room for a little sign up here that I'm probably going to laser cut, maybe, probably not. And then I'm going to use this other piece of unnecessary walnut.
No!
And I'm going to use it to hold the sander in place. I'm just going to drill a couple holes and it's going to hold the sander in place. But before I start drilling holes for this, I'm going to glue down these holders for the sandpaper, just so I can get that done and it's going to stay where I want it to stay. I'm just going to write what grits should go in each of these. So I'm going to put the 3 most common grits that I use, which is 80, 120, 180. And last but not least, the paper. I haven't had any good luck with this cheap Mastercraft stud finder, but we'll see if it works. Well, there's one way to find out. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you hit the like button. That helps to show YouTube that this is a quality video that should show to more people. As well as on top of that, you can leave a comment. And if you feel I've really earned it, you can subscribe as well. Those all really help the channel. On top of that, I also post a lot more on Instagram. I'm a lot more active there at rpadbuildstthis. Anyway, that's it for this one. And I'll see you all in the next video.